Friends, everybody wants long, shiny, and voluminous hair, but most of the people do not get it. The current lifestyle has affected hair growth. People start losing their hair at a very early stage in their life. In this video, I am going to share with you the most cheapest and most effective method for hair fall treatment. And I'll tell you how to use the onion juice so that you can get 100% result. And the entire video is based on my experiment, and so that you can believe it that I have used it and I found it most effective. So I'll tell you my experience in this video. When we talk about the reasons of hair fall, the hair fall can be due to any of these reasons, primarily due to stress, dandruff, nutrition, poor sleep, food habit, medication, or illness. As I earlier told that today's lifestyle has affected a lot of people, and it is a stressful life. We do not get a sound sleep, and our food habit, we are currently dependent on junk food. So all these things have affected our hair fall, and we have started losing more hair these days. What you will get to learn in this video is that uh, what I did for my hair fall and my experiment with the onion juice, and how to use onion juice in hair, how to make odor free onion juice, and when to use onion juice for most effective results. That means either in evening or morning when to use, and how to make onion juice. Generally, people do not know how to make onion juice, and because of that they are afraid of using it. So I will tell you how you can make the onion juice at your home, and it will be completely odor free. And many times people do not use onion because of its odor. You may ask why onion is good for hair. When I studied on internet, and I found that onions are high in dietary sulfur, a nutritional element our body needs. Sulfur is essential for regeneration of hair follicles. Natural and powerful antioxidants in onions battle premature graying of hair. And keratin, a protein which is known to be sulfur rich, are needed for growing strong hair. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Onion boosts blood circulation in scalp, which helps in hair growth and generation of new hair. Friends, in last 2 years I lost a lot of hair. I did not realize initially, but gradually my thinning hair were quite visible, and I became very stressed and had many sleepless nights. And then I visited various dermatologists, trichologists to get the hair fall treated, and I spent a lot of money, but it did not help me. Then, as usual, everybody does, I searched on internet, where I found several methods for hair fall treatment. But I did not want to do any more experiment with my hair, because I have already lost complete faith that there is any method through which I can stop my hair fall. But then one day, one of my close friend, he was in college, and he came to my home, and to my utter surprise, I saw that he was bald in our college. He had hair on his head. So I asked him if he had underwent any kind of hair transplant surgery, and what he told me, that completely astonished me. And when he told me that his hair fall treatment cost him only a few bucks, and I felt completely cheated of losing thousands of bucks in my unsuccessful hair fall treatment. What he told is that he used onion juice for his hair fall treatment. Although I read a lot about it on the internet, However, this was my first live example where I saw one person who had had the experience of using the onion juice and getting new hair. Thereafter, I started using onion juice regularly on my hair. To my utter surprise, within 3 weeks, my daily hair fall came down from around 200 hair strands to only 5 6 hair strands in a day. Though I did not like the odour in onion juice, so I did a lot of experiment in this, and after that I found this lemon juice. So what I started using, that I started using half onion and half lemon juice. I will tell you in this video how you can make the onion juice at home. So I'll tell you, friends, you will found that no doctor will ever tell you about this remedy. Why they will not tell you? It is because if they will tell you such cheapest method of hair fall treatment, then it will stop their earnings and commissions from the pharma companies. You will find there are a lot of articles about various medical products available in the market for hair fall, but they will never tell you about this cheap yet very effective method. And this method does not have any kind of side effect as far as I know. And when you use various medical treatments, they have a lot of side effects. Onion juice is popularly known for its hair health remedy, especially for hair loss. It's been used for decades as a home treatment. Now I will tell you how to make onion juice at home. For making the onion juice, you need one onion, big onion if you are a lady, or half onion if you are a male or you have small hair. So I have taken a small onion, a plate and a grater. So these three things we are required to use first. So now what you have to do, you have to take the grater and then start grating this onion. So you have to grate the onion completely. Now keep grating the onion, and if it is a big onion you can take it two parts. Now this is the crushed part of the onion. Now you can take this crush and you can mix it with lemon juice and use in your hair. This is the best method. It will help you a lot. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment.